Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Good evening. Yes, good evening. With the puzzles in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 14th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars. Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars puzzle number 7619 here. 7619, and before I start I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits this one has. 27 printed digits. Cannot be a 3 stars. Usually puzzle with 27 printed digits should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes I need. The question is this a 3 stars over 1 star puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Oh, let me position the camera first. I have troubles with the tripods. Alright. Let's get started. Oh! Come on, tripod. What are you doing? Yeah. Okay, need to be careful, otherwise the tripod will fall. Okay. Let me see. Let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. We have here 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the third row are the numbers 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. How about these? 1, 4, and 9 are missing. 1, 4, 9. 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other 3 should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 6. 5, 8, 6. 5, 8, 6. And look, we have 8 and a 6 in this column, so no 8 and 6 in this box. 8 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square. Here we have 1, 4, 9. This box should be a 5 then, alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the first row the only place left, the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, and the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. And look, we have 3 and 9 here in this column. No 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. Here also 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 7, and 8. 1, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. Let me go to this row. Yeah, maybe there's a pattern like before, a minute ago. This row, same with that row. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 9 and a 3, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there, so 1 digit left. Should be the 2 then. 1, 2, yeah. These 3 missing numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing. Except an 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. Well, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have a 5 in that. Oh well, 4, 5, 8. We have a 5 and 8 in the last row, so no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for the number 4. 9 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 1, 7, 8, we have a 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7 then, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so first column. The only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column, the only place level 7 should be there. Alright. And now we have all the 7s. Here 1 and an 8. Okay. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need 3 here. And I need 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here, the 1 and 8 are missing in the first column. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in the middle row for the mass. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Here we have 1, 4, 9. We have 4 and a 9 in the last column, so no 4 and 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Two missing numbers in this big square for number 1. He's missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So the last row. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. Is missing the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 6 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, is this really a 3 stars? Definitely a no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this, well, I'm faster. Should be a 0 stars. Faster than 12 minutes, faster than 30 minutes. Yeah, wrong indication, published, wrong indication. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.